When setting up an SMTP plugin in WordPress on Host Maria Cloud WordPress hosting, it's important to use the correct SMTP details. This ensures that your website can send emails using third-party SMTP mail servers. The recommended SMTP details are as follows: Outgoing mail server, use smtp.stackmail.com as the server address. Outgoing server port, SMTP, set this to 587, which is the standard port for outgoing mail. Encrypted connection, choose TLS to ensure a secure connection when sending emails. If this does not work, set the outgoing server port to 465 and encrypted connection to SSL. By configuring your SMTP plugin with these settings, you'll enable reliable and secure email delivery from your WordPress site. Here are a couple of setup examples. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you need additional support, please open a support ticket at Host Maria Support Ticketing System. Please do not use emails and do not reply on email notifications, as we can't guarantee a timely answer on these. The fastest and most efficient way to get support is using Host Maria Ticketing System. Thank you.